Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 6 and I'm gonna show you how to start a workout on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you open the menu, you should see this page, and on it there should be this activities button. Tap on it, and here we have the list of activities we can start. So look for the workout you want to start. You can even open the list of more, and you have different categories, and you can look for something more specific. So find the workout you would like to use and then tap on it. And here we have the pre-workout menu, I would call it. And we have some settings we can change for the training. We have like intervals, workout libraries, calendar. For the mobility settings, you have the data screens. So basically you can change how the data screens look when you're in the workout. And to edit them, you simply select the data screen you want to edit, then press the upper button, and you can change the layout. You can change the order of the data screens and stuff like that. So basically you can customize it to your liking by quite a lot. You can also add new data screens. So for example, custom data, and let's select layout, then field, timer, and let's say temperature fields, temperature, and then the data screen should be added, as you can see. Okay, once you're done with the settings, you can then scroll up and press the upper button to start the workout. And it should be going, as you can see. Here we have the timer, and we have our data screens. There's even the one that we added, I believe. Is there? Yeah, there it is. So we have our data screens, and that's how it looks like when this workout is going. And you can do a couple of things. You can press the lower button to make a lap, or in this case, I don't think it makes a lap. It just makes a move, whatever that means. But if you're running or cycling, you can make a lap basically with the lower button. The upper button pauses the workout, and after a second or two, the menu will pop out, and you have options like resume, save, resume later, lap, and discard. Save will save your settings and basically stop the workout. Discard will discard the workout, the data, but it will also stop it. So if you want to stop the workout, you can either tap on save or discard, depending on if you want to save or discard the data. And resume later allows you to basically pause it for now, do something else on the watch, and then resume it later. And lap, of course, makes a lap. And to unpause it, you can tap on resume or press the upper button. Also, if you swipe left and right on the screen, right here you have options. Or if you swipe right on the screen, you have settings, and if you swipe left, you have music control. So if your watch is connected with a phone, you can basically control the music on your phone. You can also, I believe, add some songs to your watch and basically play the music from your watch directly, I believe. You can also add music apps, so if you have a connection to the internet on your watch, you can listen to Spotify or something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the workout now. Okay, and basically that's how you start the workout. You enter the activities menu, you can play with some settings before you start it, and then you press the upper button and the workout will begin. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.